Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on natural gas. Real quick, if you find these videos helpful, any and all likes and shares are certainly appreciated. They do make a difference to getting more eyes on these videos, and I certainly enjoy putting out the free content, especially if they help people. And if you guys can give those likes and shares, it's certainly a mutually beneficial relationship between us both. So looking at the daily and weekly time frames, still maintaining the higher lows for NATGAS on the daily, and we're waiting for these moving averages to catch up to provide support. Lots of clear resistance in the mid to upper 290s as we approach this $3 level, and I keep saying it, keep your eye on natural gas heading into this winter. If we gain $3 as support, natural gas is going to be the next hot commodity. So resistance right now is 2963, 2978, and we'll zoom in here on the shorter term time frames to look at support in a moment, and you can see the weekly chart very clearly rejecting from these 290 resistances, but also very strong, holding on to all moving average support aside from the 200-week resistance, which is up in the 330s, but holding off this bearish MACD cross that has appeared so close so often. Let's now look at this hourly chart. Nice trend is forming. Whenever we have an uptrend like this, you can see the very clear higher lows. I'll put different uptrend lines to show different degrees of strength. So the strength of the uptrend line from these two higher lows is stronger than the one that captures all of the higher lows. So I'll leave both of them up there, and if we lose the first one, I'll know to be looking for the second one. But if we hold the first uptrend support line, I know the bulls are in full control, as that is the strongest uptrend support currently on the hourly. So we had a bullish MACD cross. You can see this downtrend resistance line is approaching. That's going to be around 295 or so. So I'll be looking for a break in one direction or the other as these ranges continue to tighten, heading into the inventory report that is still 3 days away. So we will likely see a break from this pattern by the time the inventory report comes around. 4-hour chart can get a little bit more condensed version, and you can put uptrend lines here as well. And again, same thing with varying degrees. You can be looking at the first degree of strength, or if you want a stronger uptrend line, you're hitting the next two higher lows, but the lower high is a very clear setup, and we're looking for a break in one direction or the other. The bulls are in control as long as this higher low and higher high pattern is maintained, which it currently is. So the most recent low of support is 2891 and resistance 2963. So watching this pattern as it develops, again, expecting a break before the inventory report, and again, $3 as support is a very bullish indication for winter for natural gas. We're going to be watching it very close, as will you if you keep checking out these videos. Thanks again. Have a great night.